Hey there. So you're somewhere along your marketing journey, and during this marketing journey, you have accumulated a lot of contacts, leads, and you are not sure how often do those people really want to hear from you. And then someday it dawns upon you that maybe some of these people are not as fresh leads as they look like, and some of these people might not want to hear from you again. So, in order to remove people from your list, what you need is a marketing opt-out list. And in today's video, we are going to tell you how you can apply a marketing opt-out list in order to remove some of the expired, dead, non-fresh or uninterested leads from your CRM. Now, if for any reason you have people on your list who need to opt out or you need to remove those leads that you had, then you need to upload an opt-out list. In order to do this, click on Contacts, and then in the options that show up, click on Import on the top right. Then Start an import. Click on Import an opt-out list, and then click on Next. Select the file that you have, and it can be your contacts file which you had uploaded earlier, and the contacts file should have the options and the details about those specific people who you want to remove from your contacts, who you want to opt out from that list so that those people don't receive any further marketing emails from you. In the email field column header, select the column which corresponds to your email. So here it's the email address, and then next, confirm your choice and enter the number of contacts which you want to opt out. So in this case, I want to remove all 3 of my contacts here, and click on Begin Import. So the import is processing, and then when it's done, we will get a notification. So the import is ready. Now we can click here in order to view this. And then we have a list called as Contacts 1, which is the list of the people who have been opted out from our marketing and other emails. So guys, I hope you learned something new today and all of this was helpful in your inbound marketing journey. In case you have any problems, do leave them in the comment section below, or you can book a one-on-one consultation call with us where we will guide you on how to develop your best next HubSpot project. And I'll see you guys soon in the next video.